Hello, my name is Rebecca Guayo, and we're going to go over the reflection for public administration. So my reflection was the first week of this course, of course, you have mixed emotions. There's excitement and a bit of stress. The topics that we covered each week, though, did give me the opportunity to increase my knowledge in the public administration. I went from not knowing anything about public administration to having a good understanding and an interest in learning more. I have to confess, I never knew public administration was an actual topic per se or a study, but I am happy and blessed to have learned and broadened my understanding. The pillars, we're going to go over the pillars. There are 6 pillars. So the first one is politics slash administration. It is basically about being transparent to the rest of the community. It's an organization that must be able to show that they're doing what they are doing to address any political discrepancy. And as Woodrow Wilson put it, administration lies outside the proper sphere of politics. Administrative questions are not political questions, although politics sets a task for administration. It should not be suffered to manipulate its offices. So basically, it was created to stop the influence of government, basically transparency. The next pillar is accountability. Accountability assures that the effective controls are developed. This is to ensure the integrity of an organization as well as maintain. So there are things and people that need to be accountable. Legitimacy. Legitimacy in public administration reveals how the issue of administrative legitimacy is directly implicated. Equity and fairness. Equity and fairness aims to ensure that everyone gets the same things in order to enjoy full, healthy lives. In other words, it is to promote fairness and justice. Representation. Representation is important because it ensures all groups involved are well represented in the decision process of public administration and government. A good representation of bureaucracy offers a public administration of all people in terms of demographics. So it's giving a representation to everyone. And last but not least, my favorite, efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency is basically the relationship between inputs and outputs, and effectiveness focuses on the real changes of the programs. So how have these pillars helped me? Going over the pillars in this course has not only broadened my understanding in public administration, but it has also set a moral structure. Public administration can be used in life as well as work. Although I only work part-time right now as a nanny, I am currently in the process for working in corrections. I am very happy to take these pillars and incorporate them in my future job. Each one is a guidance for me on how to take the appropriate action when working with the public, private, or a nonprofit group. Hope you enjoyed my reflection. Thank you very much.